me show you how you can quickly find profitable arbitrages using arbiMate software. All right. So all you have to do is, if you want a single or a specific product arbitrage, you can paste the link here from Walmart. However, the best way to do this is using the search category feature. You click on search category and simply go to walmart.com, and you can choose any category that you like. So for now, let's go to one of my favorite and most profitable category, that is health and beauty, and in that, skincare, because they are very popular brands, and it generates a lot of arbitrage opportunity between Amazon and Walmart. All right, so let's just choose a specific brand. We can go with Olay. All right, so this is where you have all the products from Olay only. Okay, so you can further hyperly target it by using a specific department from moisturizer, wash, or lotion. Okay, but for now, let's go a little broad. So once you're on the specific category page, just copy the URL into the search category field of arbiMate software and click on refresh searches. All right, so on the top, it just found 43 products on the specific page, and now it's comparing Walmart price with Amazon to find us the profitable. It's gonna take a few seconds, so let's wait for a while. All right. All right, so within few seconds, it has actually generated the first arbitrage. Profitable green color means profit. That's for $21.51. Okay, but still looking for more profitable labs. So that's the super easy part to use it. You just paste the category you are in here. If you're looking for some kind of specific profit, like if you want that you should make at least $5 in specific arbitrage, then you can enter the price margin here. All right. Else you can let the software do the job. Right now it's comparing both the websites and producing the specific amount of profit that we can make. So after a few seconds, we can filter the products by profit margin, high to low. All right, and then wait for a while. Meanwhile, it's still searching more profitable arbitrages. If I show you a little glimpse of it, so this specific subcategory, we already have $21.51 here, $9.72 here, $3.42 profit here, and still searching for more. So if you add all these three, they're going to be $21.51, and 9 is $32, and then $33 of profit right here. Okay, so once you're happy with the profits, you can simply click on this little I option. It is going to you need to click on the check mark. This is going to shortlist it, and then the same way you can check for all the shortlisted product in this particular category. It's called shortlisted products. Let me show you my previously shortlisted products. Okay, I have just saved one. And go back to the category. I guess I missed something. Let me check it again in shortlisted product. Okay, it is there. Both of the profit margin product is there. It must be the existing product. So same way you can do with as many category as you like. All right, and you're going to find a lot of profitable opportunities right in here. Okay, so it's going to take few minutes to get your profitable apps, and then all you need to do is shortlist them. All right. And once you've shortlisted the products for the day, then you can start listing them on Amazon. So I love the ease of use of arbiMate product. And this is something really, really cool with, unlimited potential. All right. So thank you for watching this video. So keep on generating profitable apps, as many as you like. Bye-bye.